How to change the font in a Word document. Although I could have changed the font when I first opened this Word document, sometimes it'll be necessary to change the font after your document already contains text. In this case, I could left-click, hold the mouse button down, and drag to highlight the entire contents of the document, or on the Home tab, Editing Group, I could go to Select and select all to achieve the same outcome. Next, on the Home tab, Font Group, I'll click on the arrow beside Aptos. I'll left-click, holding the mouse button down. I'll drag downwards to find the font that I wish to use. In this case, I want to use Times New Roman. As I place my cursor over it, I can see a live preview of what the text will be like after I click, but I need to left-click one time to accept this change. The font in my document is now Times New Roman. Clicking in the document will deselect the text.